we are. It is Friday, and this is Memorial Day weekend. We are heading up to Columbia. We've got the carpet kit that we ordered in the back. We're going to go ahead and have them do the installation on it and get everything done. Hopefully they've got some panels in. I'm really getting tired of driving up there, but you know, I know all this stuff takes time. The wing tips with the wig-wag lights on them still have not shipped yet, so we're a little bit delayed there. And so we're on our way up there now and going to take a look and see if they've got the new fuel gauge in and any of the panels in. They said that they were going to start doing some configuration, so hopefully that is going to happen or is happening currently, and then we're going to go over with them on what we think needs to be done with the carpet kit and have the floor of the plane wiped down with either acetone or denatured alcohol or something prior to gluing the sound deadening material down on it, and then the carpet overlays on top of that. So anyway, it's a 3-day weekend and we are off. Traffic's not too bad, and on our way to Velocity Avionics and Aero Resources, and I hate to say it again, but let's go for a drive. Well, we got our carpet kit out here and have gone over the particulars with that, so that is all set now, and they're getting ready to do this. Get focused here. And so that'll be going in, and then we got the new glare shield eyebrow here that they just ended up mounting the vertical card compass to, and I've got the lighting wires and everything run for it, so that's here. And then the new gauges came in for the fuel, and so they're getting that done. So lots happening today. So there's what we're looking at. We've got all the fuses or circuit breakers. Just gonna be so stinking clean. Getting ready to go swing this little guy and check it out, but everything is in. They still got a little bit more work to do. I just had to order a outside air gauge and clock that we're gonna put down here, but the new yokes are on. And we're still open on the inside. Probably got another week to go. We're still waiting for the wing tips, but we're going to go ahead and get this thing fired up and get all this lit up. So here we go. So here we are in the cockpit. We just swung the compass on this guy, and it's just so close. It's crazy. The 530 and the 430 are in and running. The transponder is, the engine gauge, the G5s. Look at these things, they're just absolutely gorgeous. And we got our new turn and bank. So the lighted panel, look at this thing, all the way lit up underneath on the Avion panel. And then we got our new control yokes. So we've got trim, push to talk. I don't remember, we'll find out on those puppies. But yep. Yeah, these are just good job. Say hi to everybody.
Howdy. Good to see you.
Good job. This is the guy. This is the man.
Right.
So Yeah, and look at this. Look at these gauges over here, how sweet that turned out. So, maybe another week, maybe two, but I will be patient.